ngaziwa khona and ngikhulele Soweto boy glass keeper khona wena faka ikhanda uzobona la ngiphila khona diplomata sikhiphe kasi kulaba ngifila khona mina nifila so thine kasi ntwana siphila so nina niyayesha lempilo and thina show noma iphila short sahlanganisa sibe top lento siyayenza noma abanye bathi singama flop phuza mara ngiyakhuza ungalinga usukele groove yekelo flow.
So I'm DJ Jewel, and basically I'm the ambassador of the City Outfitters, and I'm the first one to play these combos for City Outfitters in 100 years. Thank you, Dumbo. Let's go. To what? That's what's in
What's good, YouTube?
Danger.
It is your boy Petrosificationalism. I am back again with another banger. Guys, in today's video, yabo, ngamba nawo iqembu kiwa yo, what up twin? Kiwa kanje kiwa ba? Kiwa Bram. Yeah, Kiwa Bram Fontaine. So yeah, in the event what City Outfitters X what? Yeah, land. So what I'm saying is guys, so like, comment, share, subscribe. Thandu 1000. So nangibona ngilibona ngizibamba intshebe kakhulu ngifuna ukubonisa le tattoo. Yeah, subscribe to Petrosificationalism. Let's get into the video.
Everybody wants to know what I would do if I didn't win. I guess we'll never know.
Be free. I spend my time alone.
Sesisejuice no yabo. Amadoda akhathele. Uthi ngenza ivideo. Why? Oh yebo, Club Soweto. Yebo fethu Bonjour. Mina lo. Baba thuma mina. Ngithola bari Snap Spike KP. Yeah, what up dog? Oh, kuqabule ya. Ngikho uyishuta mfana. Hey.
Why are you smiling, white man?
Yeah, done. So today the event amapantula thing, I know. Kuna nizobona hivi. Abazobabonisa hivi mntana. Ama match. Cabanga shoot la bafana bezo kanjani. La bashaya cotton first. Thank you, my friend.
Sure.
Sure.
I know how it feels sawukuthathelwa phansi kawubuhlungu kawubhekelwa phansi lento isiyeka lento nyayazi engipheni kawesharp phakathi uyashiyeka mara still usagijimisa isikhathi I know how it feels dog uhlala u-cashless awusipani endlini babona ngathi u-useless bathi awufani nomntana kamamncane bheka usibanibani sekahamba ngani wena unani eyisa yabona ukuthi sekwenzakalani kawuyathola ukuthi uthakathina bokuqala
Books Bushari. How are you, my brother? I'm good, my son. Nice to see you, my son.
kanjani amakwala amaflopha sanokwenzwa abazali babona ukawa ngcono kunami ngoba yisibani that's bullshit ungakhohlwa kawasiphwanga ngokufana and nezinye zezinto ngeke sizenze ngokufana woza weekend ngene endlini nginuka ikhiya ngibhekwa kabi ngathi lakabulifa bekuthenga mina oh shit ngapha ngilambile ngifuna ukudla okunotswayi ngihlangana nophuthu namasi zimhlophe nalo tshwala ngathi mfaki i-appetite mara mangagawula sibali ibhiyizo kuya yonke ekawa ngibhali ngenhlupheko ngibhala ngamavari into engeke ibalekele sibhale noma ungayava makuphandekile usuku uphethe i-5 clip eyakini sanokunika uma-oleli 5 stina fila ngathi awenzi next uthatha lamasento waphuza nama-gens le shit iyastressa le shit iyadepressa abazali basanokufaka intwana under pressure naletekujuyisha ngalo liyaphela mothatha ubheka zonke intanga zakho ziyagibela nocheru wakho uyaqala uyakuchipela ayithi vele ugcine kudala ukumbekela uthe angibhali ngenhlupheko ngibhala ngamavari into engeke ibalekele sibale noma ungayava ekawa ngibhali ngenhlupheko ngibhala ngamavari into engeke ibalekele sibale noma ungayava kawuyivari lizohlala liyivari ndekhetha ukufela lona kakunokuthi ngiphila manga akuqali ngawe ndakugcini ngawo intwana yami ayikho into entsha ngaphansi kwelanga kawo khululeka ungasabi bathi life is a race awugijima ungasali
kancane kancane kuzolunga bathi ngihlaba ngesizwe Yo, Shadow. Yo.
Thank you, Shafiri.
Okay,
Ninjelile ngathi subscribing it's an achievement, guys.
Yeah. Mntana angeka poison mangiceda ivlog kaka Bazovula ngaye
Soloko.
ukuthi sakukile asiye KP 3 2 on Yeah guys, sesifikile la bathi sizokhona ngithona event lana sesifikile so we'll see what's gonna happen. For now ngisafuna ukubambisa my last 2 rand by snack So yeah, man, subscribe. It's the Casseton, you know, Musangi. It's your boy Petros Educationalism. So song I know. Can't tell you. Let's go. How's it smelling? Man, listen again. It's me. I don't come. But
Freaky Friday. Oh really? Is it? Fagi pia stiagwe kule viki pinchi besingakhiphi ibade manje ifiki semzini ifiki Friday. Ngaze ngaphume stressini ngiphethe boma 7 clipanyane ephesini imeli nengcosi baye emncwabeni eplazini angazi bathi gore bani le eplazini RIP boshonile ngiphinde ngibonge futhi phela ngifreak le weekend ekhanya ubuza khoti amakuka kule liza yosale emathuneni amaduzu namalitha yogcwala etafuleni uhambile umabalabala njalo yebo yes nywe akaqeda ukubhadala school fees mara yini inkinga yakho Chris winter ifikile umntana kana impahla zokuvula ifridge thinde cherry hayi aziwa ma gents yazi kana labambalayeka mfana skippa trap and loss
lentisiyeka lento nyayazi engipheni kawe sharp phakathi uyashiyeka mara still usagijimisa isikhathi I know how it feels dog uhlala cashless awuspane endlini babona ngathi useless bathi awufani nomntana kamamncane beka usibani bani sekahamba ngani wena unane isa yabona ukuthi sekwenzakalani ka uyathola ukuthi uthakathina bokuqala kanjani amakwala amaflop asanokwenzwa abazali babona ukawa ngcono kunami ngoba ngisibani that's bullshit ungakhohlwa kawasiphanga ngokufana and then ezinye zezinto ngeke sizenze ngokufana waza weekend ngene endlini nginukiphi yangibhekwa kabi ngathi akabulifa bekuthenga mina oh shit ngapha ngilambile ngifuna ukudla okunotswayi ngihlangana nophuthu namasi zimhlophe nalo tshwala ngathi bufaki appetite mara mangagawula sibali ibhizo buya yonke ekawa ngibhali ngenhlupheko ngibhala ngamavari into engeke ibalekele sibale noma ungayava makuphandekile usuku uphethe 5 clip eyakini sanokunika uma-oledi 5 stina damn fila ngathi awenzi next qina uthatha lamasento waphuza nama-gents le shit iyakustressa le shit yakudepressa abazali basanokufaka intwana under pressure naletekujuyisha ngalo liyaphela mothatha ubheka zonke intanga zakho ziyagibele nocheru wakho uyaqala uyakuchitela ayithi vele ugcine kudala ukumbhejela ngithe angibhali ngenhlupheko ngibhala ngamavari into engeke ibalekele sibale noma ungayava ekawa ngibhali ngenhlupheko ngibhala ngamavari into engeke ibalekele sibale noma ungayava kawivari lizohlala liyivari ndekhetha ukufela lona kakunokuthi ngiphila manga aqali ngawe ndagcini ngawe intwana yami ayikho into entsha ngaphansi kwelanga
sekange
chain sekuphelile ngami ngifila ngathi ngishase train nehengebhaya kuflow igazi lenzondo kulamaveni kubhlungu la ungangibambi ngepheli khona wrong ne right good and bad if I was in next life usibuze sokutshela ungabe dog me light uzithengele ungathembi noma ubane kuse choose your friends life iprison emhlabeni kusesitoksini ibharulu uzoyithola mose avalon eboxini ngaba nenyuku utwana ubone nemachine kodwa khona le pain ehlula medication except layaka khale kusokona namahit aphelele emoyeni nginamandla okumokola fila ngathi ngiloyiwe man khona into ekhona noma ngilala ngevini kanetswaya ngibona ifokona hayi no ngiyapesha kuhlangana lembubi isavuza xa foko ngathi ngiyasangana ngisebenzele emuva mara khohlwa ngeke ngenze ideal nosathana uNkulunkulu libekile ilanga siyeza isikhathi sami soon nje no relax khona manje maduze ngene gas ngiphosha isilwane ngishaya izulu ukuthi ngizobora ngana next lawo manga choose ngathi ngikhosa into kusangoma esinamanga naye ngivuma baba
I'm DJ Jewel, and basically I'm an ambassador for City Outfitters, and I'm the first one to do ladies combos for City Outfitters in 100 years, so you know it's very serious. Today we have the Bansulas, we've got a Ticatara, Italian vibe. It's all about the swank, so yeah. Oh wait.
Nice job. Enjoy and
Thank
everything.
you, Dumbo. Let's
Shout
go.
out to Petrosificationalism.
To what?
Petrosificationalism.
Petrosificationalism.
Guys, update. Phone yami izocima no. So mina sesayehla no sekas yabo. So I don't know if ngizoqhubeka ngivlog but then yeah, sifikile. So everything is fine. So petrosificationalism. Asibonane no sekas. Lapho everyone. So bonakasi chance.
Yeah, hi. One love.
Danger ingozi, go.